So today we're going to go over on how to use Symbaloo. Once you've created your free account, you can come over here and see the plus sign. And you're going to hit plus. And Symbaloo is one of those sites where you can have all your web pages or informational resources or anything like that all on one web mix. So you can have your students come in and look at the web mix and they can get all the information they need or helps that they need right there in that one spot. So we're going to make a web mix. And hit add. Alright. So then how to add tiles to your web mix. Start adding websites and stuff to your web mix. You're going to go over here and click on add new tile here. And you can create a tile by typing in or copying and pasting a web URL. And then you can come down here and you can change the colors of your background of your tile. Okay. You can also go over here and hit search a tile, and you can search for tiles like here's YouTube. And you click on it and it will pop up as a tile here, and then you just keep going. You can also browse tiles by category like shopping, science, references. We'll do Encyclopedia Britannica, and then just hit add to web mix. You can also move your tiles wherever you need them so you can have them better organized. You can share this with anyone. You can hit the share button and you can change the web mix name. You can add a description. It'll pop up with the tags. You can make it public or private. You hit the share web mix. And over here it will create a link and then you can, or an embedded code, and then you can copy and paste that embedded code or send it through an email or whatever you may need. That is it with the tutorial on the Symbaloo, and I hope you all have a good day.